to juggle multiple tasks and deadlines, and mapping these accurately to team members while keeping everyone on the same page can be overwhelming for a project manager. Is there a way out to simplify project management and avoid all unnecessary stress? SlideTeam brings you a content-ready and custom-made PPT template to make project planning and execution easier. Watch this professionally curated video to know the success formula behind every big project. Download this project management timeline Gantt chart template to manage your projects smartly and easily. This ready-to-use PowerPoint slide comprises a Gantt chart design that offers a pre-designed space to enlist multiple project names and their subtasks to help you handle multiple tasks or ventures. With this, assign tasks, monitor them, share them with senior management, and make project management easier for yourself. Excel in it. The timeline scale of this visual project management tool ranges from months to 4 quarters and years. From visualizing your project timeline, milestones, and deadlines clearly to tracking the progress of each phase or activity is just a color-coded game now. This will come naturally to you with time, saving you tons of unproductive activity. This presentation comes with a legend box to help your audience grasp every detail about the project's progress by assigning a color or icon to each phase or activity. Mark the length of each phase, activity, or project using multicolor strides or bars from their initiation to the deadline and track progress with this expert-designed visual tool. Using this set, you can also share a comparison report about similar phases and their length or repetition in multiple projects. Transform your project management experience from chaotic to zen with our premium template. Assign tasks effortlessly, track progress in real time, and receive regular updates to stay on top of the game. Make informed decisions based on real-time data and adapt your project plan seamlessly. Take the stress out of project management from this instant. Download this expert-curated growth and development strategy design from the link below to design a strategic, smart plan to expand your business. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.